Hello, welcome to this tutorial of the Elementi software. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the file playlist.svg. The file playlist SVG can be found in your library under the folder feeds, and it's right there. So I already have one included as a layer in my index.svg. So we're going to double click it. Now the file playlist SVG can go out and access a folder that's on a WebDAV enabled server and display the contents of that folder, either videos, images, or SVG files. And I've got my WebDAV server here mapped as a network drive in Windows Explorer. This is the video or the folder that we're going to be referencing, and inside of it we currently have two MP4 video files. So the first thing we have to do is set the URI, and that can be done by double-clicking data source and putting in the address to that location, which is going to be an HTTP address. And then I'm going to put in my address. Keep in mind that your address to your particular web server will be different than mine. Make sure you keep the parser as directory listing. These settings might not be available to you if you are not using SpinetiX. You can click the test button, however, to see what's being parsed. So these are our three files. The thumbs.db file is actually a hidden file that is automatically generated by Windows. Click close. The next thing to do is click the parser directory listing tab. This allows you to filter out certain types of files so that they aren't recognized by the file playlist SVG. This is useful in case somebody accidentally puts a file that is not supported by the player into the folder. That way the file playlist SVG can automatically filter out that file and not try to play it. What you can do here is click this drop down by the filter, select one of these preset options. So I'm going to select this one, which is 3 image file extensions. And then you can double click in the text box to add extensions. Separate each one with a semicolon, and each file extension is going to be preceded by an asterisk. So asterisk and then .mp4, and then let me add one more, so semicolon asterisk .avi. So now we have 5 different file extensions that will display in our content. All other file formats will be filtered out. So now if I click test, the thumbs.db file is no longer there because it's not included in our filter list. So I'll click OK. And as you can see, it's playing a video, and it's playing the first video on our list here. It defaults to play the files in alphabetical order. That's something that you can change within the sort option here. Keep in mind the sort option is only available if you have SpinetiX. And I'll save it. And just like any other SVG file, video, image, what have you, you can size and position this layer to be wherever you'd like in your content. So it doesn't necessarily have to be full screen. So you have that capability as well. Well, that's how you can use the file playlist.svg. And thank you for watching this video.